Hi students, in this video we are going to learn what will happen when acids and bases reacts with metals. Before that, we are having one question here. Why pickles are not stored in brass or copper containers? Here the answer is, when we keep the pickle in brass or copper containers, especially pickles contains fruits contains acid in it. So when the acid reacts with that metals,
it produces a toxic substance.
let us see the reaction of acids and bases with metals by using a lab activity. Okay, let us see what are the materials required to do this lab activity. The first one is test tube, delivery tube and glass trough, soap water, dilute hydrochloric acid, zinc granules. Before doing this activity, set the apparatus as shown in figure. Okay, see here in the figure, the test tube is fixed to a retort stand and a delivery tube is fixed to that test tube, and the other end of that tube should be introduced into the soap water, which is in glass trough. Okay, let us see the procedure how to do this reaction. Okay, initially we should take few zinc granules in the test tube, and of that we have to add 10 ml of dilute HCl solution to that test tube and observe the reaction taking place in that test tube. So here you can observe few bubbles will comes from that zinc granules. Allow that bubbles to pass through that bend tube, and it should pass through soap solution which is in glass trough. Now you have to introduce a burning candle. Here the candle flame
Burn.
with a pop sound. So the pop sound indicates the gas is a hydrogen. The gas which is releasing from that reaction is hydrogen. Let us write the reaction takes place in this activity. HCl plus Zn gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. In the same way, we can test bases with metals. Okay, the same apparatus we are using to do this reaction also. So in place of HCl, we are taking sodium hydroxide and heat the content in the test tube. Okay, let us write what will happen when bases reacts with metals. So here also we will get some bubbles coming from that zinc granules, and the bubbles will passes through that bend tube, and to test that gas with a burning splinter, it will
Burn.
with a pop sound. Let us see what is the reaction takes place between bases and metals. Here the bases reacts with metals to give salt and hydrogen. Let us write the reaction for that chemical reaction. Here NaOH plus Zn gives rise to Na2 ZnO2 plus H2. So this is the reaction takes place when bases reacts with zinc granules. Finally, the conclusion is, when acids or bases reacts with metals, it produces hydrogen gas.